Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to disable your Steam Guard Authenticator on your Steam account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to disable your Steam Guard Authenticator from your Steam account, first log into your Steam account like this. I have already logged into my Steam account over here on the Steam app, and when you're over here to disable your Steam Guard Authenticator, you can see the Steam option available or the Steam button available at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Steam, and after that you can see the settings option available over here. Click on settings, and over here under the account category you can see the manage Steam Guard account security option available over here. Click on that button, and you can see the get Steam Guard quotes by email. I have enabled it. Now if I wanted to disable, you can see the turn Steam Guard off, which is not recommended by Steam itself. Now let's click on the turn Steam Guard off and then disable Steam Guard. Click on disable Steam Guard again, and there guys, we have successfully disabled our Steam Guard Authenticator from our account. And there guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.